Yes, sir. Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
So today, our topic is an insight into the design process. So today we talk with Miss Harvina Kaur Makhni. Miss Harvina Kaur Makhni did her graduation in fashion lifestyle product design from NIFT, New Delhi. She is currently working on the passion of building career in the field of interior and product design. She conducts various workshops and loves spreading knowledge among the students. This is little things about Arvina.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to introduce Avinash, sir. He has done his graduation in fashion and apparel design from NIFT Gandhinagar. He has done MBA in retail operations from SMU. He is pursuing his PhD in graphic design from World University in Design, Haryana. Before joining KIIT University, he has industrial experience in Shahi Exports Private Limited in Bangalore and Ginny and Johnny Limited in Mumbai. He
Thank you
is,
for a nice introduction.
thank you, sir. You're welcome.
So Harmina, our first question is like this. It's very basic. It's about how you start our design brief. Design brief, but so many confusions are there in a student mind. How will track our design project?
Built thing, first of all, from a student to a professional, everybody really struggles with writing a correct design brief. For
Yeah.
me, there are three pointers that everybody should follow, and if you follow these 3 points, you can really stay on track. So, here are my 3 points. The first point is what you are designing is very important, why you are designing it, and how you will go about the project. So, if you answer these three questions, you will really stay on track with your project. So, I will explain all the three. So, what you are designing, for example, if I want to design a furniture piece. So, if I, for example, I want to design a cupboard. So that is what I am designing. Then why am I designing? I am designing it because I want to design it for a client. So over there, my client's behavior, my client's requirement, the kind of behavior that client has, the kind of understanding that the client has, the requirement the client has, all those things come in place. So all those
Yeah.
things are very much important, and we need to take care of those things in our client, in our design brief itself. And then how is a factor that defines how we will take that project forward. So it really defines an insight, and it gives an insight into your project. So why you are designing it, and how you will go about your project. These 3 points will keep your design project on track and will help you define a correct design brief.
Yes, you're definitely right. So every student should first find the answer of what, why, and how. This is the very basic things which we know first. We'll start with a design brief. So, for example, we need first categorize our aim and objective so that everyone should be know okay, what is we are going to doing or what is the process. Actually process is a start with aim and objective. If you have a aim, you have a clear mind ki what you are going to do. So very right, you said what, why, and how. It's very important. So we'll move to the next questions, a brief, you can say the brief about the design process, because the design process have so many things. But in brief, you can tell what are the things in the design process.
Okay. For every design project, there are different kind of processes that everybody follows. For example, a fashion design project might have a different process. An interior design project might have a different process. Or if you want to design an electronic product, there might be a different process. So there is no fixed design process, I would say.
Mhm.
But yes, there are some guidelines, or there is a set format that you can learn. So I would like to take you all through. Uh, I can just give some pointers that you all can follow. That is like an ideal design process. So the first one is when a client comes to you, he or she tells you about what he or she wants you to design. So you have to understand the client brief. So that is the first point. And then you interpret it. So when you interpret it, the most important thing is brainstorming. So you start brainstorming it as to what he or she told us, what more we can think about it. We start mind mapping all the pointers. We put our brain into it. We use internet. We use pictures. We start writing our points, and then we pick out some keywords. So those keywords are very important. Those keywords have to define the entire discussion that we have had with the client, the entire brainstorming session that we have done on our own and with our team. So those 4 or 5 keywords have to be very justified. So these first three steps in the design process are very crucial, like understanding the design brief, brainstorming, and choosing the correct keywords. And then you would go on to researching visuals, or in pictorial format you will research, and then you will go on to designing your mood boards, your theme boards, and then there are so many different kind of boards that you can design based on the kind of project that you are working on. So there can be n number of boards that you can design, and then you can pick up a theme out of it, an inspiration out of it, and then you can finally work on the design aspect of it. So once you have your design in place, you have made your sketches, you have your maybe you don't really always need to make sketches. You can show your designs in the form of sketches. You can show your designs in the form of Photoshop renders. Nowadays, you can also show it on 3D format, on different softwares like 3ds Max. So there is so much innovation that we have right now. So after that, once you have your design in place, then you go on to approvals. So you show it to your client. Once your client approves your design, then you go on to making technical drawings. If he or she does not approve your design, then you go back and then you change your design. So it's like design process is never the same. You have to go back and make changes, and then you have to change always.
It's like
Then
an
you make your
experiment. We can do
yes.
once a experiment, or it's not in any field. Like I am in the fashion field, so I tell you that the design process not constant for every project. ऐसे जैसे हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि टेक्सटाइल के लिए अलग हो सकता है, फिर आपके लाइफ एंड एक्सेसरीज इंटीरियर के लिए अलग हो सकता है. तो इन फैशन भी उसमें भी एक प्रोसेस नहीं है. देयर आर process where we start our design process from trims, where we start design process from color, where we start our design process through any kind of silhouettes, or take the architecture. So design process varies according to the our theme, or according to the our purpose of life, the purpose of your life, including your projects.
Very true. Rightly said. Every design
Yeah.
process is different. Sometimes you will have your client who will already come up with a theme and say that I want to design my bedroom inspired from mountains. So you will have to work on the theme of mountains only. So every time the design process changes, so you
Mhm.
have to adapt and you have to change your own design process. So an
Yeah.
ideal design process is actually nothing, but
Yeah.
yes, there are some process that we are talking about, which is what we have already talked about. So yeah,
Yes,
approval,
there are.
then you make technical drawings, and then you go on to sampling, then you go on to production. So that is the general design process that we are talking about.
Hmm. Actually, there are so many books, but there are so many books and so many confusion about the design process. People think like a theory कि ये पढ़ लिया, उसके बाद ये पढ़ लिया, उसके बाद कलर बना लिया, फिर टेक्निकल बना लिया. तो देयर इज नो नॉट अ प्रोसेस कि एक बार आप टेक्निकल स्केच बना लिए तो इसका मतलब नहीं कि इट्स 100% करेक्ट. We have to implement the things, we have to look practicality of work. तो उसके हिसाब से it will be changed so many times. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एक
Exactly.
बार मूड बोर्ड और थीम बोर्ड बना लिए, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग कर लिए, उसके बाद इसमें चेंजेस नहीं होंगे. चेंजेस इज ऑलवेज देयर.
Yes. As
यस.
we as we say, change is constant. Like you always have to change. You always have to keep changing. Change हमेशा जरूरी है और कभी भी satisfied नहीं होते clients. So you always have to keep on changing. तो देर आर टाइम्स जब आपको एक क्लाइंट ऐसा मिलेगा और वो आपको 10 टाइम्स चेंज करने के लिए बोलेगा और आप फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओगे, बट आपको कुछ चेंज करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज यू हैव टू सैटिस्फाई योर क्लाइंट. सो दैट इज
Yeah,
वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट. सो
client and
डिजाइन
customer is
प्रोसेस.
very much important for our
Yes,
any project.
customer is the king,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you have to satisfy them.
Hmm.
So the process can vary in every project.
Okay, okay, right. The next part is very important, I think, is brainstorming. So can you discuss something about the importance of brainstorming and their keywords?
Yes, definitely. This is something that is very important, as I already mentioned. Whenever a client comes to us and he or she tells us about his requirement, so we really need to brainstorm a lot. And there are designers who do not do this. They directly move on to making a mood board or selecting a theme for the project. But brainstorming is very important. You need to spend some time on brainstorming. So it will really make your project much more deeper and much more thoughtful. So अगर हम उस चीज पे ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करें, और even for students in college, even in design colleges, if we spend more time on making mind maps and making flow charts and spending more time on brainstorming sessions, this will even open your own mind. It will show how broad you can think for even
Yeah.
the smallest of the thing. So this is a very important aspect of designing.
It's like a
What are your opinions, sir?
yeah, yeah. It's like a bone. Like in our bodies, अगर bone नहीं हो तो हम लोग क्या होंगे? मतलब बिना bone के आदमी खड़ा नहीं हो सकता. So it's like a bone for me. Keywords play a vital role in design process. We can able to find a start points and create the roadway. Like roadway जैसे होता है, हमें रास्ता पता होता है ना. जैसे दिल्ली से हरियाणा जाना है, अगर हमें रास्ता ही नहीं पता तो हम भटकते रहेंगे. तो ये कीवर्ड हमारे लिए ऐसे है जो हमें रास्ता दिखाता है कि हम स्टार्ट कहाँ से कर रहे हैं और कौन से रास्ते से जा रहे हैं और कहाँ पहुंचना है. तो दिस इज द वेरी क्रूशियल थिंग. अगर आपको रास्ता ही नहीं पता तो आप कहाँ जाओगे, और मंजिल ही नहीं पता है. तो ये हमारा रास्ता स्टार्ट करने से लेके मंजिल तक पहुंचाने तक का काम हमारा ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करता है मेरे ख्याल से. और ये एक मेन चीज है. लोग कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, इवन इन इंडस्ट्री और इवन इन द स्टडी प्रोसेस, लोग ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग स्केप कर देते हैं. समटाइम्स लोग प्रोडक्ट बना लेते हैं, देन थिंक अबाउट द मूड बोर्ड एंड थीम बोर्ड व्हेन द टाइम कम फॉर प्रेजेंटेशंस. तो रिवर्स प्रोसेस इज देयर सो मेनी टाइम्स. बट रिवर्स प्रोसेस आप जितना भी कर लो, जितना भी कोशिश कर लो, कहीं ना कुछ ऐसा है जो सामने अगर जूरी बैठी हो और या कोई बैठा हो तो वो लोग पकड़ सकते हैं आपको. मतलब इट्स
पकड़ सकते हैं.
काउट. या आप
Yes.
कभी सही नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि प्रोसेस एक होता है. आदमी बच्चा से बड़ा होता है, बड़ा से बच्चा नहीं हो सकता. तो उसी
Yes.
तरह
True.
डिजाइन प्रोसेस भी वैसा ही है. हम लोग कर लेते हैं बहुत सारे टाइम्स. इंडस्ट्री में भी जरूरत पड़ती है जब हमें गारमेंट पता है और उसको प्रेजेंट करना है तो उसके लिए बाद में बना लेते हैं और उसको प्रेजेंट कर लेते हैं. बस देयर इज लाइकना इज ऑलवेज देयर. यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द रिवर्स प्रोसेस.
Yes. True.
वो अलग बात है कि हम कर लेते हैं, सामने वाले भी कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं और प्रेजेंटेशन एंड हो जाता है. लेकिन अगर वहां पे कोई ऐसा बंदा हो जो डिजाइन प्रोसेस समझता हो और कीवर्ड्स की तो उसको पता हो कि इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, तो दे कैन फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द
Yes.
lacuna behind it. Yes.
Very true.
So
Very true.
yeah, yeah. So
Brainstorming
there,
and keywords very important.
Yes, yes, yes.
Very important. We cannot fool our seniors and our jury. So that
Yeah,
is
yeah.
very important.
Next thing is के brainstorming हो गया. Then after that we have to make so many boards and so many presentations. So what are the boards? What are the presentation? Can you discuss
Yes.
something here?
For as we have already mentioned, for every project there are different kind of boards that we have to create. But there are some boards that I would like to talk about. There is mood board, that is the most important one, and I think that is the one that we use in every design project. And then there is a theme board, then there's an inspiration board, then we also make color boards, then we make material boards, then we make graphic boards, print boards, client boards. There are so many boards that we can have out of a single design project. But
Yeah.
it depends on the requirement of the project as to what you want.
Yeah.
So it's not important that you need to make every board for every design project.
Yeah.
You need to identify what is the most important for your project, and then you have to create that board based on your requirement.
Yes, sometimes we'll start with a client board, and researchers start with a client board, and we reach to the all the boards according to the needs. जैसे हो गया, कभी हम लोग बनाते हैं तो ग्राफिक्स की जरूरत होती है. अगर टी शर्ट के लिए हम लोग पेंट बना रहे हैं या बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं तो इसमें ग्राफिक्स की जरूरत बहुत ज्यादा होती है. तो वी नीड टू मेक अ ग्राफिक्स बोर्ड. अदर देन अगर हम लोग एम्बेलिशमेंट पे काम कर रहे हैं तो उस समय एम्बेलिशमेंट बोर्ड की जरूरत होती है, ग्राफिक्स बोर्ड की जरूरत नहीं होती है. तो इस डिपेंड्स ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट के बीच में जिसमें आप किस चीज के ऊपर फोकस कर रहे हो उसके लिए आप सेपरेट बोर्ड्स बना सकते हो और सेपरेट presentation for the requirement. It's depend on the requirement.
Yes, true.
Yeah. So many students are presenting the different types of board. Like talk about the theme board and mood board. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये नहीं बता पाते कि वो तो बना चुके हैं, थीम बोर्ड भी बनाया, मूड बोर्ड भी बनाया है, बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू कैटेगराइज कि इसमें से थीम बोर्ड क्या है और इसमें से मूड बोर्ड क्या है. So we'll discuss
Yes.
little things about the difference between theme board and mood board.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a common confusion that everybody has कि mood board और theme board में क्या difference है, because both of them somewhere look similar for people who do not understand the difference. So I will try to clear the difference. So mood board is something which is a very broad tool. It comes in the very starting of the project. It's like the first thing you need to do when you start with your design project. So as I mentioned, when a client comes to you, he or she tells you about the requirement. So the first thing you do is you brainstorm, and then you pick out some keywords, and then you make a mood board out of it. Mood board gives you a direction towards a project. So when you have that direction towards a project, then you select a theme for your project. So mood board defines a theme for your project. So mood board is a very broad term. It's a very broad tool. And out of that, you can generate so many themes. So for example, there can be one single mood and you can generate 10 different themes out of it. So I would like to give an example. If you want to design a restaurant, and that restaurant, the mood of that restaurant is dark and calm. So for that mood, you can also go in for a theme which can be wooden, a theme which can be metallic, a theme which can be inspired from grunge look, a theme which can be inspired from something else. So theme is something very specific. Theme can be something material oriented. Theme can be something that can come out from a design inspiration. Theme can come out from a design movement. Theme is very specific, but mood is something more intangible, and it defines a very broad concept. So this is the major differentiation between a theme board and a mood board, which everybody confuses.
Yeah. like so many examples is there for mood board and theme board. Lots of confusion in various students. Sometimes some students is confused कि theme board border area होता है और mood board smaller area होता है. Lots of confusion is there. So I must tell the one example is like we'll make a Christmas as a mood. मूड क्या होता है, हम लोग जैसे कोई एक मूड के ऊपर सोच रहे हैं, जैसे हम अभी खुशी हैं तो खुशी का मूड है, खुशी का वातावरण है, खुशी में जो जो चीजें आएगी हैप्पी, तो उसमें हम लोग उसके ऊपर काम करेंगे. उसी तरह दूसरा हो सकता है फ्रस्ट्रेशन. आप फ्रस्ट्रेशन है तो हमेशा उदासी की तरह बने रहेंगे, उदासी वाली चीजें सोचेंगे, उदासी वाले कलर्स आपके दिमाग में आएंगे. इट्स लाइक अ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट थिंग्स आर देयर. लेकिन उदासी होता है, जैसे अभी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का देखते हैं, इट्स अ फ्रस्ट्रेशन. तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन में कौन सा फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, उसको किस चीज का फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, व्हाई ही टेक्स द दिस काइंड ऑफ मतलब इस तरह का स्टेप्स क्यों लिया. तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन डिफरेंट काइंड हो सकते हैं, बट उसके लिए कौन सा फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, दैट मे बी द converted into the theme. For research, we can research only the area where he is the frustrated.
Yeah,
Like
right.
like the very common example we'll take the Christmas as example. तो हम क्रिसमस के लिए एक रूम को सजाते हैं, क्रिसमस पार्टी करना हो तो we places the so many things like red color is there, white color is there, और टोपी भी है और क्रिसमस ट्री भी है, और फिर हमारा जो केक बनाते हैं, और लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. लेकिन क्रिसमस एक मूड हो गया, जो हम मूड क्रिएट करते हैं, हमारा मूड क्रिसमस के लिए तैयार होता है, काम करने के लिए तैयार होता है. जैसे हम बर्थडे पार्टी बनाते हैं तो बर्थडे के लिए सो मेनी थिंग्स लगाते हैं. वही क्रिसमस में अगर हम लोग थीम देखें तो हो सकता है क्रिसमस ट्री इज अ थीम, और उसके बेस पे हम गारमेंट बना सकते हैं. जैसे मैं बर्थडे की बात कर रहा हूँ तो बर्थडे एक थीम हो गया, और किसी का बर्थडे मनाना है, आप किसी को कहते हो कि बर्थडे के लिए हमारे को रूम डेकोरेट करना है, तो वो डेकोरेट कर देगा. लेकिन वो आदमी ये भी पूछता है कि हमें रूम डेकोरेट करना है तो या इट्स किड्स के लिए करना है, यंग के लिए करना है, या फिर ओल्ड पीपल के लिए करना है. तो अगर हम किड्स के लिए कर रहे हैं तो कितने साल के बच्चे के लिए कर रहे हैं, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट
Yeah.
क्या है, और उसको अगर गिफ्ट देना है तो हम उसके एज के अनुसार और उसका कैपेसिटी के अनुसार उसको गिफ्ट देंगे. अगर छोटा बच्चा 4 साल का है, उसको हम कार तो नहीं दे सकते. तो इसी तरह से हमें एक मूड बोर्ड है, जैसा आपने बोला वेरी राइट कि इट्स अ ब्रॉडर टर्म, और उसमें से हम थीम निकालते हैं और उस थीम के ऊपर डिटेल्स वर्क करते हैं.
True, true. I can
या
give another example explain
या
करने के लिए कि जैसे हम किसी भी एरिया में जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हम किसी मार्केट में गए जहाँ पे देर आर so many restaurants, so that entire area has a mood which is you
या
are going over there to eat dinner or to have lunch or to enjoy with your friends or family. So that mood is about enjoying and to have party, to enjoy or to party. That is the mood. But every restaurant has a different kind of a theme. So why does every restaurant have a different kind of a theme? Because they want to differentiate themselves from each other and they want to attract you. So they are working on the same mood. The mood is that you want to enjoy, you want to party, you want to spend time with your friends and family. But the theme is there to attract you with different kind of themes that they have. So
या
theme is very specific and mood is very broad. So this is what I would like to say about the difference.
yeah, right. So we'll move to the next questions. For your
Okay.
belongs to product design or interior design. So we'll move to the
Yes.
your sections. The interior design and
Okay.
product design innovation in the world. तो इनोवेशन मीन्स न्यू इनोवेशंस क्या है, और कैसे हम लोग मूव कर रहे हैं अभी अभी के
Okay.
सिचुएशन में. या
In earlier time, अगर हम देखें तो there were houses जिसमें कोई security systems नहीं होते थे and there were no even they were only simple houses. And when interior design as an industry came in, it was only about beautifying houses. It was not about, bringing any kind of innovation. It was about making the space beautiful. But with the modernization and with even people's purchasing power has increased. So nowadays a lot of innovations have came in, like automation is there. There are space-saving furniture items. There are spaces where you can put in a single furniture which has a utility like three times utility. From the same furniture item, you can have a utility of three pieces, three furniture pieces. And space saving elements are there, and there are lighting elements which can, be operated via electronically electronically generated apps. So there is so much innovation that is going around the world these days. And also, there was a time when we had to only when we had to make all our drawings on AutoCAD and show everything on 2D. When
Yeah.
our clients did not understand what our design is about. Now we can actually make our design on 3D via so many softwares like 3ds Max, SolidWorks, and we have so many different beautiful rendering softwares like V-Ray. So we can create animations, and
Yeah.
we can actually show virtually our clients, and they can walk through that animation and see the entire house in a 360-degree view. So
Yeah.
those innovations have really helped our clients to visualize what design can be, how their house can look, how their restaurant or how their hotel can look. And even I would say interior design earlier used to be only about designing houses, but now even small cafes, cafe owners, even hotels are going in for interior design services because
Yeah.
of these kind of innovations. So the industry is really booming, and there is so much scope these days.
Yeah, like nowadays, artificial intelligence play a very vital role in the 3D software, and 3D printing is also available in the market.
Yes.
And also, I go through the one website yesterday is called Art Steps. उसमें आप क्या है ना कि आप अपना 3D प्रोजेक्ट को उसमें आप प्लेस करके लोगों को दिखा सकते हो। इट्स अ सॉफ्टवेयर। तो ऐसे ऐसे बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर बन गए हैं जिसमें हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स, अगर आपके पास पेंटिंग है तो आप उस पेंटिंग को इस तरह से दिखा सकते हो कि आपका एक पूरा शोरूम में लगा हुआ है वो पेंटिंग। तो इस लाइक आपको
Yes.
प्रोजेक्शन करने की जैसे पेंटिंग को हमें क्या होता है उसको फ्रेम कराना पड़ता है, फिर उसको ऐसी जगह पे लगाना पड़ता है जहाँ पे उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाए। तो वो आजकल आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के टाइम में हम वर्चुअली उसको दिखा सकते हैं, ना कि उसमें उतना
Yes.
पैसे खर्च करने की जरूरत है। तो ऐसे इंटीरियर
Exactly.
डिजाइन प्रोजेक्ट को भी हम वर्चुअली बहुत काफी हद तक अच्छा कर सकते हैं। और नाउ डेज तो सबको पता है कि स्पेस इज टू कॉस्टली। तो
Yes.
स्पेस को कैसे हम लोग कम कर सकते हैं और कितने कम स्पेस में कितनी ज्यादा यूटिलिटी है, वो दैट
Yes.
इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट आई थिंक। सो
Very
नेक्स्ट,
true.
या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि पहले के जमाने में, पहले तो लोग बहुत इंटीरियर को बहुत कॉस्टली समझते थे, और हाउ द इंडस्ट्री इन्वॉल्व्स ओवर द टाइम and
Yes.
has become accessible to everybody nowadays. Nowadays internet is accessible for everybody. पहले के टाइम में हम लोग के कॉलेज में भी इंटरनेट ब्लॉक कर दिया जाता था कि ज्यादा यूज हो रहा है या ये यूज इज टू कॉस्टली। और जब मैं 10th का 12th का एग्जाम के बाद रिजल्ट देखने के लिए हमें कहाँ कहाँ भटकना पड़ता था, विल पे 50 रुपीज और 100 रुपीज फॉर गेटिंग द रिजल्ट ओनली। और नाउ डेज
Very
हम लोग
true.
एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं और एवरीथिंग इज सो चीप। सो नाउ
Yes.
डेज
Very true.
इंटीरियर, हाँ या इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग इज कहाँ पे है और हम लोग कैसे एसेस कर सकते
आई वुड लाइक टू से कि एक टाइम था जब इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स को जब हायर करते थे लोग, तब ऐसा लगता था कि इंटीरियर डिजाइनर को हायर करना मीन्स पेइंग so much money to them. But nowadays, when Pinterest is there, and when Instagram is there, and Facebook is there, we have so many apps wherein we can promote ourselves and we can promote our work and we can approach our clients and clients can approach us, general public can approach us. Internet has provided us this facility, and it has actually made interior design service accessible to the masses. So the service of interior design is not only for the upper class now, it is for everybody. And also, there are so many interior designers now who are working on sustainability, who are working on materials which are actually affordable. So they are working on affordable luxury, affordable products. So this actually makes interior design services much affordable for every kind of class of our country. So there are people in the middle class as well, even in the lower middle class section, who are going in for interior design services, which is actually very beneficial for all of us. And
Yeah.
it is actually extending the interior design industry and even the product design industry, because I see the interior design companies nowadays, they are opening up their furniture lines. And why they are doing it? Because they can stay connected to their clients. Because कई clients ऐसे भी आते हैं जो कहते हैं कि हमें पूरा घर रेनोवेट नहीं करवाना है, तो हमें सिर्फ अपने ड्राइंग रूम में मे बी वी वांट टू गेट ओनली आवर सोफाज चेंज्ड. So, to cater to those kind of requirements, interior design industry is venturing out into furniture design as well these days. So, which is actually making them connected to their clients in a way. So
Yeah.
it's really opening up all their boundaries, and even people are also going into making accessories, small accessories like trays and vases and small products, gifting products. So there is no end to the industry, and
Yes,
everybody
yes.
is just opening their barriers and boundaries. I would
Yeah.
also like to know your opinion on this. What do you think,
Is
sir?
so many places are we get the information about so many things. हमें तो ये भी रोकना पड़ता है कि इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ कहाँ से कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे लिए जरूरी है. So there are different places where interior design is not a place कि यहाँ पे इंटीरियर डिजाइन होता है या यहाँ पे वो चीज है. वी आर एक्सेसिबल थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. जैसे बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में आज के पहले भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने आत्महत्या की थी, तो लोगों को इतना नहीं पता था. आज के दौर में एवरीवन कैन पुट देयर थॉट्स ऑन द इंटरनेट इन द सोशल मीडिया. So
Yes.
overall things as to in today talk, we talk about the design process, we talk about the interior designs. So some main points are there we have to remember always. Always we have to remember the aim and objective is first when we are going through the design process. Then brainstorming plays a very vital role for all collecting the information through the different places. अगर हमारे पास कीवर्ड नहीं होंगे तो हम लोग डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे भटक जाएंगे, जैसे कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन जरूरी है, कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन जरूरी नहीं है. तो वी आर सेग्रीगेट द कीवर्ड्स फर्स्ट, देन मूव टू द डिटेल्स डिजाइन प्रोसेस. देन डिफरेंट थिंग है कि लोगों को बेसिक नहीं पता होता है. अगर थीम मोड, मूड बोर्ड और डिफरेंट बोर्ड्स में डिफरेंस नहीं पता है तो दे आर कंफ्यूजिंग. हाँ, तो वो आपका प्रोजेक्ट 100% कंप्लीट होने में दिक्कत आएगी. देन हम लोग बात कर रहे थे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड 3D इंटीरियर accessible to all. तो so many places are there, so many वेबसाइट आर देयर नाउअडेज, जिस पे आप बहुत इजीली बहुत सारी चीजें बना सकते हैं और अपना अगर कुछ है तो उसको प्रेजेंट करना इज टू इजी नाउअडेज. पुराने जमाने में बहुत तकलीफ होती थी, लोग हाथ से सब कुछ बनाते थे. आजकल इतने सारे सॉफ्टवेयर हैं, कोरल ड्रॉ है और फिर बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर हैं जो 3D जैसे अपने सॉफ्टवेयर 3D मैक्स की बात की, वो सारे
3ds
सॉफ्टवेयर
Max.
या
Yes.
तो वो ये सारे सॉफ्टवेयर है, माया है जिसपे आप 3D
Yes.
प्रोजेक्ट्स बना के दिखा सकते हैं. तो ये सारे सॉफ्टवेयर सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. लोगों को पहले लगता था कि हम लोग ड्राइंग कर ले रहे हैं और सीख रहे हैं और नई चीजें क्रिएटिविटी बना ले रहे हैं, लेकिन आजकल क्रिएटिविटी के साथ वी नीड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। अगर आपके पास
Yes.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है और कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज है, तो आज के जमाने में आपको कोई आगे बढ़ने से रोक नहीं सकता है। दैट इज द
आई थिंक
माइट।
अपडेट होना,
या
या
या या
अपडेट होना बहुत जरूरी है आज के टाइम पे। इवन अभी व्हेन आई एम डूइंग माय वर्कशॉप्स these days about all different softwares,
या
I am having people who are even 50 years old, and
या
I see that they want to learn.
यस यस
And there are some students in college, and there are some students in school in like 8th standard or in 10th standard who want to learn. And I
या
feel so happy that they want to stay updated in such early years of their life, and also there are people who are in such later years of their life who want to learn.
या
So learning never stops. So we should stay updated with softwares and with knowledge and with internet. We should use internet very healthily
या
in a
राइट राइट
positive
राइट।
manner.
और एक कोविड के टाइम में तो बहुत सारे लोग जो कहने में संकोच नहीं करते थे कि मुझे इंटरनेट नहीं आता, मेल करना नहीं आता, आजकल सब लोग को सीख ही गए हैं। मतलब इट्स नेसेसरी।
Yes,
जैसे रोटी कपड़ा
yes,
मकान इज नेसेसरी, तो इंटरनेट इज आल्सो नेसेसरी नाउअडेज।
yes,
ओके,
true,
यस यस यस।
right.
तो हम लोग आज का डिस्कशन यहीं खत्म करते हैं, और कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं आप या कुछ शेयर कर?
That's all, sir. That's all. It was a good
Oh,
session. Or
yeah,
I
yeah,
hope everybody enjoyed the session.
yeah. So nice and pleasure to talk to you. It's a very nice meeting to you. So many confusion are
Same,
clear now. And in
same
the,
here, sir.
yeah. So we'll meet in next session. जब भी time मिले आपको और हम लोग का mutual understanding हो, तो we can share so many vital information in next video. Till the time, stay
Definitely, sir.
safe, stay connected, and keep
Same here.
smiling. Yeah, yeah.
Same here,
Thank,
sir.
thank you
Thank you, sir.
everyone. Thank you everyone joining. So many people are there. आज हमने इनका किसी का नाम नहीं लिया, किसी से बात नहीं कर पाए, इतने बिजी हो गए इस टॉक में। So sorry guys.
I hope
Uh,
everybody enjoyed, and
yeah,
thank you
yeah.
everybody for joining our
Main thing is
session
the
today.
learning. Yeah, main thing is learning. So we'll more focus on the learning process. So
Yeah.
miss so many viewers
Nice.
today.
Yes.
Lots of lovable peoples are there, and so many loves will got through the in the mid session जो हम लोग ध्यान नहीं दिए शायद।
Thank you, sir.
So okay, okay, bye.
Okay, sir. Bye bye.